Hello children, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are good. So are you done with your prayers? Your good morning rhyme? Days of the week? Months of the year? And something new. What you learned yesterday? Color of the month, that is pink, and shape of the month, that is heart. I hope all of you have done activity which I had told you to find pink color objects and heart shaped objects at your home, and also to draw heart shape, fill it with pink color, and you can cut the heart shape with the help of your elders. So today I have come with a new concept for all of you. Do you remember community helpers? We have learned doctor, teacher, driver. So today we have a new community helper. Let us see who is this new community helper. So we have with us today a sweeper. Have you all seen a sweeper? See? Look at the picture and think where you have seen this person. You must have seen this person in malls, in buildings, in offices, school, on roads, railway station, airport, right? So this person is sweeper, and he is one of the most important community helper in our lives. Let us see why he is so much important. Rather, we can say he is an unsung hero. Why he is an unsung hero? Let us understand this. See, can you see what all things he is holding in his hands? All his cleaning material. When the sweeper is using all these things for cleaning purpose, he is making all these places which I mentioned, the offices, malls, airports, railway station, roadways, everything clean for whom? For all of us, so that we can use it, right? So that it is hygienic, it is clean, and we want to use all this. This sweeper is helping us so that we can use it, right? And that is why he is an unsung hero. He is a very important part in our lives, right? He is cleaning all these places. So what are things he is using when he is cleaning all these places? See children, can you see this? This is a brush come mop. See, it's a mop. This is a very big handle mop. So he is cleaning the floor with this mop, and he is also using water. See, can you see this bucket? Green color bucket. In this bucket he has water. He cleans the floor with this water and mop. And here you can see two bottles. They are filled with liquid cleaner, floor liquid cleaner, and cleaner which can be used for tables, chairs, glass windows. Okay. So for cleaning purpose he needs some liquid soap. Okay. So these bottles are having those cleaners. Here you can see two more mops and different kinds of brushes. So for cleaning purpose he also needs various kinds of brushes, right? Then here he has a yellow color big dustbin, so that he can clean the floor and put the garbage in this dustbin. Here you can see one more blue color bucket. Then here you see a big black color garbage bag. So what he will do? He will collect all the garbage from the floor and put it in this bag and you can see this bag is having a knot. He will tie this bag and put it in this dustbin. And while doing all this work, it is important for the sweeper to wear the gloves. Children, can you see? Can you see, children? He is wearing plastic or rubber gloves in both the hands. Okay. And to carry all his material, his mop, his brushes, his buckets, his dustbin, his liquid cleaners, garbage bag, he needs a plastic caddy. What is a plastic caddy? It can be a plastic caddy. Okay, it can be a metal caddy also. So this is a carrier. See? So it is having wheels at the base. It has, see, so many places, racks, where you can keep the different things the sweeper can keep. He is keeping the bucket here, the dustbin here, liquid cleaners here, mops here. So this is called a plastic caddy. Okay, on this plastic caddy, our sweeper is carrying different material which he needs during sweeping, cleaning the floor. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the concept of sweeper. Sweeper is one of the important community helpers who help us clean our surroundings. Right? I hope you understand and learn this concept. Respect our sweepers around. Okay, around you, you will see sweepers. It can be a male sweeper, a female sweeper. Respect them. Okay, and understand that they are doing a very important task, very important job for you and me. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.